Hey, you want to go grocery shopping? Grocery shopping. That's just fun to say. Grocery shopping. We go to the grocery store or the supermarket. Most people in the U.S. say the grocery store. Are you ready? We're going to go to the produce section first. Produce. What are we going to find in the produce section? Great question. First, broccoli. Broccoli. They look like little green trees. Broccoli. Carrots. Carrots. I love to eat carrots. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Do you enjoy cauliflower? How about some celery? Celery. The C is a soft C in celery. Don't like celery? Well, let's go get some cucumbers. Cucumbers. I do like cucumbers. Onion. Onion. I know it looks like ion, but it's onion. Onion. How about some lettuce? Lettuce. But we also say it quickly, so then we say lettuce. Lettuce. Like lettuce? Want something more on your lettuce? How about radishes? Radishes. Oh, wait, let's take a look over here. Eggplant. Eggplant. I know, it doesn't look like an egg, but we call it eggplant. Zucchini. Zucchini. I love to eat zucchini. Do you have any requests for food in the grocery store or at the supermarket? You do? Leave it in the comments and we'll make a video for that too, okay? Peace, friends.